I'll walk you through how to bulk forward multiple emails in Gmail at once. If you've ever tried forwarding messages one by one, you know it's super time consuming. Don't worry, I'll show you the fastest way to do it. First things first, make sure you're signed into Gmail with the account that has the emails you want to forward. If you're not logged in yet, just go to gmail.com and sign in with your email and password. Now, in your inbox, check the small boxes on the left side of the messages you want to forward. You can pick them one by one or, use that top box to select everything on the page at once. Here's the thing, Gmail doesn't have a built-in option for bulk forwarding, so you'll need a free tool called Multi-Forward for Gmail. It's available on the Google Workspace Marketplace. Just search for it, click install, and grant the permissions. Takes less than a minute. Once that's set up, head back to your inbox, select the emails again, and click the add-on option that shows up at the top. Then choose Forward. Enter the recipient's email address and hit Send. That's it. The tool forwards all the selected emails at once. One quick tip, after forwarding, open your sent folder just to make sure everything went through. You'll see the forwarded messages group there. This way, you know nothing got lost. And that's pretty much it. You now know how to bulk forward multiple emails in Gmail without having to do them one by one. Super handy for, sharing conversations, work threads, or even just cleaning up. Thanks for watching. And if this helped, feel free to check out my other tutorials for more quick Gmail tips.